Hello, this is your host with the AI News. Today's topic is the future of food, growing our own nutrition. Let me ask you a question before we begin. Can you imagine a world where everyone has access to fresh, nutritious food no matter where they live? Where cities are transformed into lush, sustainable food ecosystems, and where technology empowers us to grow our own food at home?
This may sound like a utopian dream, but it's actually closer to reality than you might think. Join me on a journey to explore the cutting-edge innovations in urban farming, vertical farming, and personalized nutrition. Discover how these advancements are shaping the future of food and empowering us to take control of our diets. You'll be inspired to see how technology is bridging the gap between farm and fork, making healthy eating more accessible than ever before. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the incredible ways that technology is transforming the future of food. Before we begin, please subscribe if you enjoy this type of content, and make sure to like, comment, and share. Let's dive right in. Today we're going to talk about how technology is transforming the future of food. We'll explore three main areas: urban farming, vertical farming, and personalized nutrition. Let's start with urban farming. Urban farming is becoming increasingly popular as more and more people realize the benefits of growing their own food. But traditional urban farming methods can be challenging, requiring large spaces and specialized equipment. However, technological advancements are now making it possible for anyone to grow their own food in the comfort of their own home. One example is the rise of indoor vertical farms, which use technology to grow crops in stacked layers, allowing farmers to grow more food in less space. These farms can also control the environment, providing optimal conditions for crops to thrive, even in areas with limited natural resources. Another innovation is the development of smart greenhouses, which use sensors and data analysis to optimize growing conditions such as temperature, humidity, and lighting. This allows farmers to grow a wider variety of crops and increase yields while reducing waste and energy consumption. Technology is also making it easier for urban farmers to connect with consumers, allowing them to sell their products directly to restaurants or even individual customers through online platforms. Overall, the combination of vertical farming, smart greenhouses, and online marketplaces is creating a new era of urban agriculture, making it easier and more accessible than ever for people to grow their own food in the city. Next, let's discuss vertical farming. Vertical farms are a relatively new innovation in the field of agriculture. They consist of stacking layers of crops on top of each other and growing them in a controlled environment. This allows for more efficient use of space and resources, making it possible to grow a lot of food in a small area. One major benefit of vertical farms is that they allow for year-round production of crops, regardless of weather conditions outside. This means that consumers can enjoy fresh, locally grown produce all year round, without having to rely on imports or out-of-season produce. Additionally, vertical farms use up to 95% less water than traditional farms. Since the water is recycled and used for irrigation, they also use fewer pesticides and herbicides, since the crops are grown in a controlled environment and are protected from pests and diseases. Moreover, vertical farms are typically located in urban areas, which reduces the transportation costs and emissions associated with food distribution. The combination of these factors makes vertical farming an attractive option for those looking to produce fresh, sustainable food in a cost-effective way. Finally, let's talk about personalized nutrition. Personalized nutrition is a new approach to eating that takes into account an individual's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and health goals. Unlike the one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition, personalized nutrition recognizes that everyone has different dietary needs, and that a diet that works for one person may not work for another. This approach uses advanced technology such as DNA testing, wearable devices, and smartphone apps to provide individuals with customized nutrition plans and recommendations. By understanding the unique needs of each individual, personalized nutrition can help people make better food choices and develop healthier eating habits. For example, some people may be genetically predisposed to certain dietary conditions, such as diabetes or obesity, while others may have allergies or food intolerances. Personalized nutrition can help people identify these issues and make adjustments to their diet accordingly. Additionally, wearable devices and smartphone apps can provide real-time feedback on an individual's dietary intake and help them track their progress towards their health goals. Overall, personalized nutrition is a promising approach to improving people's diets and health outcomes. By taking a customized approach to nutrition, individuals can learn to make informed food choices that meet their unique needs and goals. In conclusion, technology is transforming the future of food in many exciting ways. Urban farming, vertical farming, and personalized nutrition are just a few examples of how innovation is making it easier and more accessible than ever for people to grow and consume fresh. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the world of food production and consumption. So what do you think of the future of food? How do you see technology impacting the way we grow and eat food in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on AI news and developments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.